Hollywood stones are grayish, blackish, bluish tones, that's the kind of tones they work. Whereas, Bollywood, out of the same negative, creates such a vibrant, colorful cinema. I think Bollywood cinema must be the most colorful cinema because I think colorfulness is something very integral to Indian culture. And the same colorful quality is reflected in the storytelling. Even the story is told in a colorful manner, so to say, not in a prosaic, not in a like stiff upper lip, not very serious kind of attitude, but a playful attitude. Because Indian culture is based on the concept of Leela. That is a cosmic Leela that is going on. The concept of tragedy is alien to Indian culture. It is a Greek concept. We have the concept of rebirth, that you do your karma, you will again be reborn. So it's like a soap opera, ongoing serial that is going on, in which you are whatever you are undergoing because you sowed the seeds. You have nobody, so you move along with the cosmic energy till the day you become enlightened, and you just celebrate the cosmic dance of Shiva, the Leela. So that is the narrative format. So it is little melodramatic, larger than life. If any spectator sees it, if he puts aside his critical glasses and his pseudo posture and attitude aside, so anywhere the audience would find this cinema very, very enjoyable. Because this cinema basically is trying to reach out to the audience. It is not wanting the audience to reach out to it. It is wanting to reach out. It is very simplistic. It is very easily understandable. It is not trying to be very hard, difficult to understand. Say like a film by Godard. Because that is the realization of a Bollywood cinema, that the true representative of the content is popcorn. Because that is what is accompanying. So the product has to be of the level of popcorn only. Light, time pass, enjoyable, not very heavy. So that is what is Bollywood all over.